of a home rewire, and just talking about getting wires up to the attic in a two-story house. You see this group here coming in from the panel. Got 7 home runs up to the attic. And it's a 200 amp panel, 40 spaces. We'll take a look how it's routed up there and take a look at some old cloth wire in a house that supposedly was made in 1899. This is us coming out of the basement with an LV, a 2-inch going up into the attic, popping up into the attic. New service entrance right alongside. Trying to make the PVC look not as bad as it would otherwise. Okay, here's a junction box for the wires that come from outdoors up in the attic here. And then we just come out of this and pop down into all the places we need to get to on the second floor. That's what this looks like. Now this has knob and tube, the first generation of wiring, but it also has some old black cloth 2-conductor, which is just as bad and just as frayed. This is what it looks like. That's some of the oldest wiring around. We just change it out for new yellow wire. Here's some more over here. Right there. Sometimes it's stapled in the walls, sometimes it's not.